Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Aswad, mentor at Udacity, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today. I have been working as a mentor for almost 7 years now. I'm currently a PhD candidate in accounting with over 12 years of experience in banking, where I specialized in operational management and data extraction. Now I'm delving into the excitement of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Finally, I'm specializing in generative AI and working on the wide variety of a project. My passion is to bridging the gap between finance, technology, and healthcare, and I'm excited to share my insight and experience with you as we explore the fascinating world of AI and data-driven solutions. Outside of mentoring with Udacity, as I said before, I'm pursuing a PhD in accounting and previously completed a master's degree, bachelor's degree in accounting. In parallel, I'm working on my other educational path, such as a master's degree in cybersecurity. After I finish my previous second bachelor in information technology and computer science. Also, I have another journey with a diploma in medical laboratory studies in Jordanian college. So, my role in Udacity here is to focus on supporting the student with variety experience. I do this by answering a student questions, checking on their progress, and providing a walkthrough for hand-on project included in the Nanodegree whenever needed. And that's what we are going to talk about today in depth. So let's begin. Initially, we will discuss the advantage and objective of the program. Let me show you. Generative AI uses extend across a wide array of fascinating areas, expanding creativity and innovation in producing content, designing a product, exploring significant questions, enhancing data, and crafting personalized experience. The strength of generative AI is depending on its capacity to rapidly improve presentation for solution discoveries and invention. The application, let me show you. The application of generative AI not only span numerous exciting fields, but also revolution the traditional processes that once require exclusive time and resources. In the past, a team of designers, scientists would labor for a month and to achieve what generative AI can now accomplish in a matter of weeks or even days. The transformative technology accelerates the pace of innovation, allowing for the rapid development and refinement of ideas that previously would have slower manual effort of a human team. The efficiency of generative AI in generating new content, designing a product, and solving complex, significant problems showcases its potential to significantly reduce project timeline, therefore enable fast iteration and quick access to the market for a new invention and solution. This is a reason why we incorporate it in the lab, physical testing, data analysis, and molecular discovery. Now, this topic, we have it in the first program. Okay, now we get back to the program page. As you can see, here is the Nanodegree AI. Now we will have the courses in the program. Now, in the first course, we will welcome the student and show him the platform. Then we will go to the second course where we have all the previous ideas. It will be the fundamental generative AI in that course. Okay. Now, in that course, we will have the knowledge that we just mentioned, the ideas, the concept, and more about introductory course. Now, this course lays the groundwork, offering for a deep dive into the core principle for generative AI and its evaluation from previous AI innovation. Now, we will explore a range of generative AI models, delve into the development of the deep learning models using advanced toolkit. Now, we have a PyTorch, we have a Hugging Face, and learn how to tailor pre-trained open source models for specific application. The centerpiece of the project in this course will, let me show you here. Okay, now here is the project. I will go to the page of that project so I can show you. The centerpiece for that project of the course is involving and applying a state-of-the-art method, known as a parameter efficient fine-tuning, PEFT. Now, this will teach a technique enable the customization for a large-scale foundation models while conserving a computational resources. Though this project, you will acquire crucial skills in generative fluence, image classification, transferred learning, training a neural network, utilize Hugging Face, mastering parameter efficient fine-tuning as we mentioned before. Now, all this will be a comprehensive skills for set equipped for you with the expertise to navigate and innovate within the dynamic field of generative AI. And now let's move back so we can display the second or the third course in the generative AI. Large language models, LLMs, text generation overview. We can find it from the program itself. It is the third course. We will have introduction to LLMs, NLP fundamental transforms and attention mechanism, retrieving augmented generation. Then we will have a project, your own custom chatbot. The ideas for this course is to explore the text creation with tool and technology such as AI application, Python for search functional, NLP transformer, including GPT and BERT, Selenium for web automation, and more. This field for large language models will include data cleansing, advanced natural language processing, and techniques like retrieval, augmented generation, prompt engineering, and tokenization, supported by library as Pandas and PyTorch. Understand the difficulties of neural network, both recurrent and transformer-based, delve into attention mechanism for text generation and utilize a beautiful soup for data scraping. Ensure high data quality and effective use of word embedding. Now, about the project, let me say here the project. It is built your own customer chatbot. The creation of sophisticated chatbot through unsupervised machine learning, innovation, prompt engineering, and retrievable augmented generation techniques began with a review various type with LLMs, distinguish between their unique feature while evaluating their advantages and limitations. This project will progress to core component, including tokenization and contemporary transfer architecture alongside attention mechanism. This exploration is developed of function LLMs application, leverage data set to bring to your custom chatbot to life. Now we will go back for the next project. Now we have the fourth course in our studying for Gen. Now this course will be, as you can see, computer vision and generative AI. We have 4 lessons for this course, where we can have a knowledge and ideas. Then we have a project. As we said before, Udacity believes that you have to learn by doing. Okay, so Udacity give you the ideas and knowledge, then give you the how you can apply it or how you can do it in the real world. Now, this course have idea about how computer process, understanding image data. Then we use this in power of latest generative AI models to create a new image. This project has much important in the field of computer vision and generative AI by automating the photo editing process. It is streamlined for professionals in photography, graphic design, multimedia, social media. Moreover, it shows cases that potential of AI to augment human creativity and productivity in various domains. Now, here is the overview for exciting project, part of computer vision and generative AI. We're focusing in this course with AI editing with Inpainting. Now, this project revolves around leverage advance of AI techniques to enhance and edit image automatically. Now, we in painting specifically refer to the process of reconstruction, the missing of damaged part in a specific image based on its surrounding content. Now, the primary objective of this project is develop AI-powered photos editing tool capable to internally filling the missing area of the image, so we can maintenance the visual with integrity. All of it will have the same content. Now we can do that by understanding in the first lesson. I will dive deep in this course because it is exciting and simple and clear ideas. We like it and we use it very much, as we can say in graphic design, multimedia production. Now we can say that lesson 1, I will explain it from here, from the course, from the content itself. We have introduction of image creation. In this lesson, we will define the image and generation and understand how relevant in AI and machine learning it will be. Now we have another lesson, and these all are a knowledge that we will gain, so it will prepare us for making our project. Now, the second one will be computer vision, because this lesson we will understand learn how computers see image, how perform a key image processing technique using a classic image processing technique such as image transformation, noise reduction, and more. Now we have another useful lesson, which is the image generation and GANs. Okay, in this lesson, which is the 1, 2, 3 here, okay, we will explore the landscape of GenAI tools for computer vision and learn how they are evaluated. Learn what a generative adversarial network is and how we can utilize it and generate image. Now, the fourth one will be a transformer-based computer vision models. This lesson, we will explore vision, transformer, and architecture that can make them work, along with the way we explore a vision transformer, such as Dino, SAM, and these ideas. Now, in the first lesson, we will have a photo AI editing and Inpainting, which is our project. As we can say before, that Udacity believe that learning will be by doing. So after you gain all the knowledge before, you can apply this project and do it very well. Now, in this project, you can see that Udacity. You can see that Udacity get you an overview of the project, so it tell you what is the output, what we expect you to have when you finish this project, what the learning or the idea that you have to apply, so we be sure that we give you the suitable and proper education. Okay, so they give you the project overview, then we give you the structure, the environment, workspace. Now, let me explain the ideas for this project. Then go back and teach you each specific section in this project. Now, the project will be going to build a little app that allow you to select a subject such as a kitty here and its background, okay, and then it change it. You can say the process involve a user uploading image and select the main object by clicking on it. Okay, so if I click on the cat, I can change it. If I click on the background, I can change it. This is our application that we need to produce from this course. Okay, now how we can do that? We can do that by a SAM model. SAM model is a segment anything model. So you can segment the cat, segment the background. SAM model will be activated to create a mask, such like in this image. You can see we can make a mask for each object. Okay, now we select the object and choose the most accurate mask depending on our study, so we can generate it and make a specific segment for a more appropriate idea. Now the user will show this result to either accept it or refine the mask further with additional point. If you have, as you can see here, point 1, 2, 3, 4, if the mask involve all these points, so the mask is suitable for making a changing. If the mask is not do that, we have to change another model. Okay, now once mask is finalized, the user can give a text description. Okay, so you will writing the code then that empowers the main functionality of the app, calling the SAM model and processing the output, as well as the text to image diffusion model to generate the new background or subject. Now let's see, this is the overview of our project. Now instruction, as I say here, you see here they give us also a video that can explain more ideas about our product for Udacity for this Inpainting image. You can see that the instructor, they are one of the best. He told you how you can upload the image, how you can make the process on it, what expecting from you to do in this project. You see here, he show you the image. He show you how you make it a mask, how you can change, as we can see here. As you can see here, how we make it a mask and make a segment. Here is a proper one. We can change it to the cat. Now we change the background. Then we can change the cat itself and make it a crocodile. Something like that. The instructor will explain ideas for you step by step. So we can guarantee that you are working in a proper way and you gain the ideas very well. Now we have also environment for you. This environment will give you a structure. Okay, this structure, when you follow it, you can make the project very well. Now, after we have ideas for someone who make errors, but I will explain it after the project. Now here is the workspace. You only need to make enable. It will upload your workspace. As you can see, this is your workspace. Sometimes you can work from here and make a copy. So you leave the data, the original data, not using. So you make your own copy And when you make your own copy, you can from here rename it, let's say Nancy or Nan. Okay, you rename it, so you use it. This is optional step. We use it when we want the original data or the original notebook to be clear. So if I mess with this version of notebook, I can't lose the other one. Other student can use also from here a reset data. Okay, so he can have the data in good way, and it is a clear data. When I mess with the notebook from my project, it will not affect the data, so I can use it again when I need or on where I have a missing. Okay, now we will wait it for getting back. It will get back again. As you can see here from data, they give you the image and tell you that we need to make a mask, as we see from the previous video. And we will change the background. We can change the Mona Lisa itself. Here, Udacity give you the library which you will use, and it supports you with the specific library that can make you proceed with your project. Okay, you only have to make enter. Now, what we are going to do, we will see your code here. When you see your code here, you have to implement the knowledge that you get it in the lesson and put it here, so you make the run of your model. Okay, now, as you can see, we can have each one. Your code is here, need to change. Okay, the idea here that you will have a car, you will have a mask for that car, then you can make Inpainting. Okay, here is the workspace. After you, sometimes in this workspace, you get error, you get disconnected. We advise you to restart the notebook and try again, so we can refresh the workspace and get what exactly we want. Now, we also have, and we need to take care of, is the rubric. Here is our specification. Udacity want to guarantee that you make the ideas very well and you make it as in the real life. So it makes a success criteria. In this success criteria, we ask you a specific requirement. If you meet specification and make it in very well, we pass the project. If not, the reviewer will ask you to resubmit the project, and that is for your benefit, so you can make it very well. We have a success criteria such as, let me remove this, such as demonstrate proficiency in loading and using segment anything model, SAM segment, for segment object. As a reviewer, I will see the specification here. Okay, I see if the user or the student change your code here, if he make it in very well, if he make it and it's run without any error. This is my specification. If you do it very well, I will pass the project. And if not, I will ask you to resubmit, and I will give you a suggestion, and also I will give you a screenshot to explain the idea for you more. Also in Painting, you have to make the specification integrated app. So we have the final idea, as we can see in the video. The app will be integrated, and if I make any picture uploaded, I can make the mask and the image changes as we have it before, or as we target in this project. Now, how we can submit the project? You can have this zip file and make your choice, just such like this. Here you can put any note, any difficulties, any ideas that you want the reviewer to focus on it. Then you have to check these. So then submit. This is the first way that we can do that. If you miss the file and you want to delete it, it's from here. Okay. Also, you can publish your project and your code in the GitHub and provide us with the link. Also, you can make a submit from the Workspace itself. You can see the submit in the below. We can see it from here. After you finish, you can make submit after you finish all your ideas. And that is all about this project. I will continue with you with other projects now. Developing a solution with generative AI. This section will be in the 5th course in our program for generative AI. It will delving into the key components such as a vector, retrievable, augmented generation, the OpenAI application, and here we will have the LangChain framework, focusing on aiding developer in crafting applications that leverage their power of LLMs, large language models. In the LangChains, we will offer array for pre-learned models to simplify common operation in this area. You can see here that we will use only Python. So we can have a JavaScript and TypeScript, but we will focus on Python application in this area. About the project, it will focus on introduction for LangChain as a tool for constructing robust language model and showcases in the real-world AI application across various sectors. This course designed to arm students with necessary expertise to develop sophisticated AI technology. Now we will move to the 6th course, which is career service. As you know, Udacity try and make ideas, knowledge in its courses and in all the program. It focuses on having a project from the real life, so you can have a better chance and better opportunity in the market to have a career. So they also provide a career service to give you advice from expert people and make your own resume review and LinkedIn, and they will give you the required advice. That's all about the courses. Thanks for watching and joining me while we dig deeper together in this exciting project walkthrough. Don't forget to subscribe to Udacity YouTube channel for more ideas and visit our website to explore more about Udacity Nanodegree catalog. Thank you again.